going to gently come right here. I'll tell him to exhale. And then I'll go farther. And then I'm going to relax him just a little bit. His natural contraction reflex is going to allow his head to go back that way. And I'll go a little bit further. I will then shift and return to normal. Okay, how does that feel? Good. Okay. So now we go to the other side. Now, where are my eyes at? I'm actually watching right at the side of his neck where essentially his neck starts. Because I want to see if it starts to spasm or anything, or if it's uncontrollably kind of doing twitching. Okay, that means I'm going too far. Normally I'm looking at your eyes. So if we were in a mirror, I could see his eyes, like if we were facing right here, but then it would feel, you guys wouldn't see what I'm doing. So I'd be watching in the mirror, because the eyes don't lie. Right here, if you guys have crow's feet right here, that's the truest symbol I found for pain. You do this, you're in, I don't want you there. If your eyes start to, stop immediately. That's where it's like, okay, too much. Okay, how'd that feel? That feels pretty good, huh? Okay, so now, fix them again. I will turn, okay, the safe word is Oklahoma. Okay? Alright. Now, we're going to add something. We just did a stretch. We're going to add a contraction. So I'm going to stretch him, and he's going to gently try to push back into my hand. And relax. And push. And relax. Then I return. How'd that feel? Okay? So we added what is a relax contract mechanism. That forcing the muscle contract is telling the GTOs to do more work, which is then telling the muscle spindle to relax us more. And then we've increased our range of motion.